Welcome to Agrowlyte Turf Optimization. This video explores the sustainable paradigm shift for modern golf operations, focusing on optimizing irrigation, protecting turf, and defeating pathogens. The scale of the irrigation challenge is significant. A standard 18-hole golf course uses an average of 312,000 gallons daily. Critically, these water sources can deliver turf-destroying pathogens. Superintendents face various threats, from Pythium blight, which can destroy a healthy green in under 24 hours, to fairy ring in the soil. The annual preventative fungicide budget to fight these can exceed $60,000. The vicious cycle of chemical turf care involves broad-spectrum chemicals destroying the soil microbiome, leading to pathogen outbreaks and resistance, forcing superintendents into an expensive chemical rotation. The unseen toll of chemical use extends beyond the green. It includes risks to human health, like an increased Parkinson's risk, and environmental contamination through groundwater leaching and toxic runoff. The Agrowlyte paradigm shift introduces hypochlorous acid, a highly effective, safe, and environmentally sound biocide. It mechanically tears pathogen cell walls, making genetic immunity impossible, and naturally reverts to harmless salt and water. Mechanism 1 is infrastructure optimization. Agrowlyte eradicates biofilm, unclogs emitters, and restores flow rates by cleaning internal pipes, drastically reducing back pressure and energy strain on irrigation pumps. Mechanism 2 is the biological shield. It provides source sanitization, eliminating pathogens before they reach the grass, and root zone protection, fostering a healthy deep soil microbiome without causing the dead dirt effect. A comparison shows Agrowlyte's advantages. Its active ingredient breaks down safely, pathogen resistance is impossible, it's extremely safe for humans, preserves the soil microbiome, and allows immediate play. Agrowlyte allows seamless operational integration through automated dosing in the pump house and neutralization of reclaimed water. It also supports facility and fleet sanitation and is safe enough for golfer skincare. The Green Dividend offers direct water and efficiency savings, ranging from $1,600 to $4,000 for a small course, up to $8,000 to $20,000 for a massive 36-hole complex, based on savings of $40 to $100 per irrigated acre. The hidden ROI provides compounding operational value by increasing total irrigation efficiency by 8 to 10%. This results in slashed electricity bills, extended pump life, and chemical budget recapture. Agrowlyte offers a sustainable course for the future, replacing the heavy burden of toxic dependence and constant pathogen battles with clean water, resilient root zones, and a safe, non-toxic environment. Protect your turf, protect your players, and protect your budget. Contact us for an on-site consultation and a custom acre-by-acre ROI calculation for your facility.